How's it going, everyone? Adam here from Coding Basics, and welcome to tutorial number 11 in my Lambda expressions in Java 8 series. In this video, we are going to be going over how we can use Lambda expressions when creating new threads. Now, I know in the last couple videos I have sort of gotten away from the Lambda expressions and we're showing you more, terminal operations that you can put on the end of a pipeline. But we are actually using Lambda expressions today. So open up Eclipse. And I've already got created in our Lambda expressions project this file called threads.java. And let's just get started. So first, let's go over old way of doing things. And I think all we're going to do is just create a random new thread that runs and prints out some sort of message. So for that, we just have to create a new thread, open close brackets, but inside this thread, we have to pass in a runnable interface. So new runnable. I think I spelled that right. So new runnable, open, and then close bracket. Oops. And now inside our new runnable, we have to create the public void run method. Alright, and in here, this is where we have to, put what we want the thread to do when it's executed. So let's do that. Let's just have it print out some sort of random message. So system.out.println, and we'll just have it print out thread ran the old way. That's all it's going to do. And then for this to actually execute, all we have to do at the end here is put .start, open close bracket. So let's run that just to make sure everything's working fine. And there we go. Prints out thread ran the old way. So just to recap, the old way, we create a new thread, which takes as a parameter some sort of runnable interface. And a runnable has this public void run method, which actually contains what you want to happen when the thread is ran. So let's go over now how we do this the new Lambda way. Well, it's actually really simple compared to the old way of doing it. So all we gotta do is new thread, and then instead of doing this new runnable, we can just put an open close bracket as the parameters for our Lambda expression, our arrow token, and then what we want this thread to do. Well, in our case, we want it to print out that, I'm just going to copy this message just to save the time, thread ran the new way. Okay? And there, that's all there is to it. So it's a lot easier. Let's just run that just so I can show you. Oops, I forgot to put .start at the end. That was the only problem. My apologies. So there we go. Thread ran the old way, and then thread ran the new way. Now just to explain what is actually happening here, the Java compiler automatically deduces that this Lambda expression can be typecasted to the runnable interface like we have up here because a thread has a constructor signature like this. So a thread takes a runnable as a parameter. So the Java compiler automatically deduces that this Lambda expression can be typecasted to the runnable interface. So I'm just going to delete that. But you can see how the new way, it's a lot more clear and concise and a lot more easier to remember, less prone to error, I guess you could say. And whereas here we did this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, we did all the exact same thing in one line here. So that is all I got for you guys this time. Remember, leave a comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe, and I will see you in a later tutorial.